everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Everybody's having a great day. It's snowy here in BC and no rain in sight, so we'll see what happens later. Today I have an unboxing for one of my Valentine's gifts from Pandora and Hubby Ted, so thank you. So we'll go ahead and unbox that, and if you'd be so kind as subscribe to my channel, that'd be wonderful. Ring the bell. Likes always appreciated, because when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway and you don't want to miss out. Alright, so the bag I'm currently rocking is my Loungefly Haunted Mansion Disney Parks. It's got the 3 hitchhiking ghosts on the front. This is the 50th anniversary satchel. Has the candles there. Has Madame Leota, H&M, and the hat box ghost is on the bottom there, and that's a gargoyle. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Comes in a box like this, so let's see what we got here. Got my blade, and hope everybody's staying safe. No new restrictions, so we'll see what happens in the future. They ran out of vaccines, so that isn't good. So hopefully they'll be getting some more, but you never know. Alright. Alright, I think we're in. See what's going on here. Ah, there we go. Okay. Alright, here we go, finally. Okay, got Pandora. Oh, we got pink tissue paper. Oh, and for the Valentine's Day, they're giving out the pink boxes. So look at that. Pink boxes for the Valentine charms. Oh, very cool. Alright. There's some little pouches that they give out. And that's the bracelet box. Alright, let's go ahead and open them up. I'll give you your receipt. Alright, so they look like this. So if you guys ordered any Pandora on the 2nd, which was my birthday, you'll get Valentine boxes like this. So that's cool. Yeah, they must give out special boxes for different occasions. Alright, so this is my first Valentine from Pandora. So let's go ahead. Alright, so this one is a snowflake. Okay, so that's cool. See the snowflake?
Oh yeah.
So that's a cool one. And here's the red heart for Valentines. I think you guys can see that okay. There we go. See the metallic red heart?
Oh yeah.
Alright. And here we go. This is the bracelet with the heart toggle. It has the heart at the bottom, and then you just toggle it. Kind of like this one here. It has a toggle, but this one is in silver. Alright, let's see if I can... Alright, I'll leave pictures on Instagram, so make sure that you follow me at susansrstyle. But yeah, that looks pretty nice. So I ordered the same size as this, but it does look a little smaller. So we'll have to see. Alright, so that's my unboxing of my Pandora Valentine's gift. I do have a couple more coming, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Stay safe, and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.